Gelatide Drops are getting a lot of attention online, promising effortless weight support without strict dieting, but do they truly deliver what they claim? Marketed as a natural formula designed to boost metabolism, burn fat, control appetite, balance glucose levels, and increase daily energy, the product sounds appealing to anyone struggling with stubborn weight and low energy. Many users are drawn to the idea of simple drops that fit easily into a daily routine, especially when weight management often feels complicated and restrictive. However, customer feedback across multiple platforms paints a mixed picture that deserves careful consideration before purchasing. Some buyers report feeling more mindful about their eating habits and experiencing small energy improvements, while others say they notice little to no meaningful change over time. In addition to effectiveness concerns, several complaints mention duplicate or multiple charges after ordering, missing paperwork in shipments, and ingredient details printed in extremely small text, making transparency a concern for cautious consumers. Another recurring issue involves difficulty contacting customer support, with reports indicating that the listed phone number does not connect to a working service line, leaving buyers frustrated when they need assistance. While the formula is promoted as natural and convenient, the lack of clear communication and consistent customer experiences raises questions about overall reliability. As with any supplement promising metabolic support and appetite control, results can vary based on lifestyle, diet, and individual body response. Gelatide Drops may appeal to those seeking a simple addition to their routine, but the mixed reviews and service-related complaints suggest it is wise to research thoroughly and proceed with realistic expectations before making a decision.